enjoy a full day of activities at the annual Cherokee Strip celebration in Perry, Oklahoma. Activities start early with a 5K and 10K race. This festival is held each September and celebrates the founding of the community of Perry. The 5K and 10K routes both start and finish in the beautiful downtown square of Perry. Starting at 10:30 in the morning, event guests can enjoy a wonderful parade in the downtown streets of Perry. Guests can also enjoy on-site entertainment for everyone. You can also browse through the booths and merchandise from local retailers and watch mock gunfights in the downtown square. As the sun begins to set, be sure to head to the rodeo arena in Perry, where families can experience the excitement of the Cherokee Strip Riding Club Rodeo and watch cowboys and cowgirls compete. This all-day festival is unlike any other, so please join us each year in September for the Cherokee Strip celebration.